my God. This is awesome. Yes. There it is. Stay calm, buddy. Stay calm. Take a picture for sure. Yes. Smiling at you. Get the bird to look.
Give him a thumbs up. Go over the side.
Yeah. Thumbs up. That's awesome.
I guess.
Now how do you get him off? Just blow on him. Just give him nice easy blow.
He's a bird. He takes wind of.
Oh man.
You guys have a bird now.
You just gotta walk.
You can be like a land pirate. Instead of a parrot, you have whatever that is. What is that? I don't know what kind of bird that is. It's amazing.
I don't know what to do. That lion here and Sandusky.
Yeah, lion here. Cedar Point, Sandusky, Ohio. Oh, that's sweet. Just take it nice. Like a boss. It's like she's done this before.
You are a hero. Hey,
Yeah.
give us a round of applause.
Woo!
Anything goes, anything goes. You never know what we're gonna show on Anything Goes.